Students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Session Nucleophilic Substitution Reactions SN1 and SN2 reaction with energy profile diagram. Students, today now we discuss nucleophilic substitution reactions. What is nucleophile? Nucleophile is any reagents that donates an unsaid pair of electrons to form a new covalent bonds. So nucleophilic substitution reactions in which one nucleophile is substituted for another. So two types of nucleophilic substitution reactions. SN1 reactions and SN2 reaction. SN1 unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions and SN2 reaction is a bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. So first reactions are SN1 unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophile react with alkyl halide in the nucleophilic substitution reactions are converted to the product plus HX. So nucleophilic unimolecular substitution reaction, in these reactions bond breaking between carbon and leaving groups is completed before bond formation with nucleophiles. So these types of reactions is classified and unimolecular because only the alkyl halide involve the rate determining steps. So R rate is equal to K alkyls. So methanol react with 2-bromo 2-methyl propane is a nucleophilic substitution reactions are convert to the product is 2-methoxy 2-methyl propane plus HBr. Okay, so these reactions are bond breaking between carbon and leaving group is completed to the bond formation with nucleophile. So mechanism of SN2 reactions, first steps are ionization of CH bonds gives the 3-degree carbocations intermediate and reactions of methanol from ether phase the planar carbocations is the intermediates gives the oxynium ions and the proton transfer, the third step are proton transfer to give tertiary butyl methoxy ethers. So first step tertiary butyl bromide react with slow convert to the intermediate state are tertiary butyl carbocations is the slow and rate determining steps plus BRs. And the second step are carbocation react with HOCS nucleophile and convert to the species of oxynium ions. It is a fast for product formation and oxynium ion react with Br and convert to the product of 2-methoxy 2-methyl propane is a major product in SN1 reactions. So now we discuss the energy profile diagrams of SN1 reactions. Two peaks are arise. One is the formation transition with the leaving groups is removing, and second peak arise with nucleophile forming pair with carbocations. Carbocation lines in between two peaks a product having lower energy. So the rate determining rate transition steps and rate intermediate contributions in the reactant convert to the product is it is the rate determining step. It is a transition state formation. So the RX react with the first transition state rate determining step and the second intermediate state it is a carbocations nucleophiles and electrophiles and convert to the product of nuclear RNU plus HX. The energy profile diagrams is SN1 reactions are given below. So reaction coordinate. Okay. Next reaction are SN2 reaction, bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is the concentration process. Bond breaking and bond formation take place are smoothly, and it is a bond breaking and bond formation are same times. So the types of reactions is classified as a bimolecular because this alkyl halide and nucleophiles are involved in a rate determining step. So rate determining step rate is equal to K alkyl halide and nucleophiles. So NaOH react with a methyl bromide and backside attack of the NaOH is a nucleophile substitution reaction of methanols plus NaBr. So mechanism of a bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction SN2 reactions. So that this reactions attacks the reactive centers from to opposite sides and leaving groups. So back sides attacked by the nucleophiles and SN2 reactions is a by the attraction between a negative charge of nucleophile and positive charge of on leaving group. So Na was reactive to Na plus plus OH minus. So backside attack and front side are removal of bond break is NABR removal of NABRs and transition state formation and convert to the products. This mechanism are given below in slides. So students, energy profile diagram of SN2 reactions, only one rate determining steps because one transition steps is generated. So initially reaction is slow and after transition reaction will fast. So rate determining reaction coordinate and energy profile diagrams in graphical representation of reaction convert to the products. Reactant convert to transition state are the slow product, and this is the rate determining steps, and it is the transition state and transition state the higher activation energy and convert to the transition state to convert to the product is a fast formation, and product is a more stable product is reactions enthalpy. Okay students, so energy profile diagrams are given below in SN2 mechanism. So students, difference between SN1 and SN2 mechanism. SN1 reaction is a unimolecular and SN2 is a bimolecular. Most favorable alkyl halides are SN1 reaction is a 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree, and the SN2 reaction are most favorable alkyl halides are 1 degree is greater than 2 degree is greater than 3 degree. So SN1 reaction are the reacting nucleophile weak, and SN2 reaction are the reacting nucleophile is strong. And SN1 reaction are solvent in protic like alcohol, and SN2 reactions are solvent is aprotic DMSO and acetones. So stereochemistry is a mixed reaction retention as well as inversion in a SN1 reactions, but SN2 reactions are stereochemistry only, it is a inversions. Okay students. So next are the factor affecting on SN1 and SN2 reactions. SN1 reactions are good leaving groups so in the alcohol, and SN2 reactions are better leaving groups so are faster the reactions. So the reactivity order is SN1 reaction is a 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree, and so the reactivity order of the 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. So it's a stability of the carbocation, tertiary carbocation is the more stable in SN1 reactions, and SN1 reactions are weak base and water or alcohols, but SN2 reactions are forward by the strong base. SN1 reactions are the poly and protic solvent, but SN2 reactions are polar and aprotic solvent. So SN1 reactions are only substrate concentration faster to the reactions, but SN2 reactions are substrate and concentration as well as a strong base faster the reactions. So first order of kinetic reactions, and it is a SN1 reactions, and the second order of kinetic reaction it is a SN2 mechanisms. Okay, so explain is a SN1 and SN2 mechanism with energy profile diagrams. Thank you students. Thank you.